Hey, what up, guys? This is Fluffy here, bringing you another YouTube video. So this is pretty much a little bit different. Usually I have like the vlogs or whatever, but this is actually my new car. It is a 2004 Mark 4 Volkswagen GLI. Jetta GLI, I shall say. I love it. Of course, I do have another one, which is the Mark 4 GTI. I'll go ahead and post a picture on this side somewhere here, and that one's being worked on currently. So this is my daily driver though. So I just want to give you like a little walk around, stuff like that, to show you what we will be working on in a few months, of course, and a lot of DIYs and stuff like that that will occur. So first and foremost, since I have you guys on the exterior, I just want to go ahead and start right here, right now. The wheels. So I'm planning to do red wheels, the BBS RC wheels, but I don't know. Probably change them, maybe, possibly. But I'm just pretty much want to kind of like restore the car a little bit. So we'll paint them red, like the GLI red, which is not faded on that badge over there. But we're going to paint them red and stuff like that and whatnot. These side markers, I'm actually going to go ahead and tint them red. So, because, you know, state of Florida, why not? Also, the front splitter lip, whatever you guys would like to call it, that I will be replacing. That is like it's like cracked. I don't know if you guys can see that right throughout here, all the way through. That too, and the grill. That grill, yep. This thing has seen way better days. Headlights, they're pretty decent, but I could change them out. Also, there's like dents on my hood. Little bubble dents, just like, you probably won't be able to see them on camera, but there's one right here, right there, and like these random scratches, man. What? So let's see here. Yep, right here. I don't know how that got there. Probably rock. Windshield, got to be replaced. It's cracking from pretty much here all the way through there. We kind of did this, and pretty much that mirrors, probably not. They're mirrors. And paint. Yeah, this paint has seen a lot more better days. See here, trunk essentially is pretty clean, yeah. But yeah, body right here, dent. Somehow, where's the door? I gotta show you guys this. It kind of trips me out. How did this happen? Whatever, just gotta get that all fixed if possible. All right, bringing you guys into the interior. This has to be changed. I plan on doing some red, like a red trim logo right here, possibly maybe even Gucci. My buddy Miguel actually gave me an idea to put Gucci here, but I don't know, whatever. All four of those need to be changed, even the one in here. Oh, this one's actually perfect? That one's actually perfect. Oh, still gonna need to change. Just a little bit more into the interior. Of course, speed sensor does need to be changed out. That glove box though, yep, that don't close. The double din, that gotta go. And pretty much everything's up front. Carpets need to be changed. Ripped out my clutch pedal cover again. The back, I haven't even checked out the back 100% because I bought it from my buddy Juan. Headliner back here needs to go. Yep. And yeah, it doesn't look too bad in here. Got a little couple goodies. That's hood latches for the GTI, and that's for this car, the GLI. Bringing you guys into the motor. Number one, automatic number one. That strut needs to be changed. Yep. Number two, that window trim right here. Yeah, I did that. Don't worry about it. But I did this. Yeah, it's a mess. Of course, we have the engine bay. Engine bay needs to be cleaned up 100%, 100%. Of course, new speed, cold air, sort of cold air. Cold air, you know, that pipe doesn't connect. And my exhaust is pretty much half and half. It's like stock muffler back there, then my downpipe and my downpipe and my stock muffler, they're pretty much connected half and half. I don't know why it took me that long to figure that out. But essentially same thing, KO3S. Stock, stage 1 tune, stock ECU is still in there, so I could switch whenever I want. I do not have any check engine lights, so we are pretty much good to go. I did do a lot of motor work, well, like hoses and stuff like that, so I did clean up a lot of my codes. But yeah, I mean, this is essentially it. This is my Mark IV GLI. I mean, I love it. I love detailing it. I mean, after a tune, hands down, it is a lot more alive compared to what Volkswagen leaves the shops with. But yeah, I mean, if you guys enjoyed this video, there will be more videos like this. Of course, we're going to be working on this car specifically right now. And of course, progression with the Mark IV. But I just want to go ahead and clean this up. This gives me fun because I do need a little bit more time with the Mark IV. Of course, this is more priority because this is going to take me to work and stuff like that every day. But hopefully you guys enjoyed.